nothing is safe. Yo, what's up guys, it's PBM reporting live from the greatest continent on Earth. That, of course, my friends, is Antarctica. In today's video, I'm showing you how to make the paper play button, yet again, because YouTube has decided to completely change up the design. It's something so different that you probably wouldn't recognize it even if I showed it to you. So today, we are making the paper play button Mark II. You guys enjoy.
Alright, so what you see me doing in this clip is basically going to Google Images and finding a picture of the play button and basing this one off of that one. So all I did was I wrote present to PlayButtonMaker. I changed up the font and made the PlayButtonMaker a little bit bigger, then wrote for surpassing 1 subscriber again and a smaller font under, and took this picture of the play button from Google and YouTube from Google, and I put them all in this Google Doc. And that's basically all I did, and then I just replaced the red part. So now what you're going to need is glue, knife, cardboard, and the paper template that I made. And all that I did was first I put on the cardboard and I cut around the cardboard, and cardboard is really hard to make neat cut, so I cleaned it up. What you're going to do next is you're going to cut out the cardboard, the play button part in the cardboard, since this play button is actually kind of inserted in the cardboard, that is indented, it's not sticking out anymore, so you have to cut that out of the cardboard. So what you see here in this video is me cutting the cardboard. What's important to know though is that it's going to be really hard to make a neat cut with this type of knife on cardboard. So you have to do it really slow and carefully because you could mess up the shape. But which I did do a little bit, but the paper actually ended up covering the shape, which helped out a lot because it looks a lot neater than when I put the paper over it. But still best to try to cut it neatly so you don't have to worry about that. Also remember to clean up the inside and the edges so it looks clean. And so now, after I did that, now that we have the cardboard right here, I took the paper and I cut the play button out of the paper, glued it to the front, and now I cut up the triangle out using the template from the middle, and I used the triangle so that there's a triangle, and now I glued another sheet of paper onto the back, because if you saw, there's this kind of this white background area, and I glued the paper onto that, as you see me doing here. And then after that, I flip it around and I take the triangle and I glue a piece of paper onto it for it to be white because it has to match the rest of the play button. Sorry about the flash. Randomly, it's just the lighting isn't so good. I wanted to get the best lighting. Sorry about that part. But anyway, so I glued the triangle piece of paper onto it, and then I used the part that I cut out from the original template to kind of show where the best area would be for the triangle to be in the middle, because as I've said in literally every other video, the triangle is the important part. And then after that comes the rest of the shape. So I used that kind of as a template to help me out. And then I took it out and I just put the triangle on, and there it is.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please consider leaving a like, subscribing, and sharing with your friends, family, your pets, everybody you know. And I want to take this call to action to mention a cause very near and dear to my heart. Antarctica. As we know, Antarctica exists, and few people have gone to visit it. So that's why, if I hit 10 million subscribers, I will go to Antarctica, and I will get a video of me in Antarctica. So if you want to support this cause, all you have to do is share this video with everybody you know. And I will go to Antarctica, and you guys will kind of come with me through a video. That's it guys. Thanks for watching. Play button.